the dining room. This is the lobby. When you walk outside, and 1, 2, 3. That is this window I sleep under. Walking back in the hotel. It's cool in here. The second you start up the stairs, it starts to get hot. No air conditioning in the halls. We always stay on the 3rd floor. Hello. Hello. Here's down the 2nd floor. And this is the view from our lobby. We don't stay for the view. And the hotel offices are right here on our 3rd floor. It's one of the owners.
Hello.
Say hi. And then this is the 3rd floor. That's where we always stay. And this is it, home sweet home, 301. Ugh, no air conditioning. This is my area when you walk in to the right. And my little couch. Nice mattresses on the bed. It's our little mini fridge. We have a closet on this side. And then this side, oops, goes over to Nana Papa's side. See, just this wall separates. And this. Usually their suitcases are lined up. Little area, hi. Little vanity area. We have a big closet here. See? Oh, sorry, the TV. And, oops. There's light. This is the whole bathroom. The air conditioning isn't hooked up in here, just this window. A nice size shower. This, the most important thing for me, because it makes you have hot water, all the hot water you want. And that's our home while we're here. Bye!